Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're in the Drive app now. Make sure you're using the account that holds the photos. Once signed in, navigate to the folder and long press one image to begin selection, then tap Additional Photos. This first step reduces repeated work and avoids downloading duplicates. Make sure you have sufficient storage free on your device and consider Wi-Fi if files are large. Now that selection is active, proceed to the download or save option listed in the menu. Don't skip it. Once you tap Download, Drive creates local copies. On Android, they go to Downloads, whereas iOS may prompt Open in or Save to Files. Choose Photos if available. If Drive bundles multiple images into a zip, extract the archive using a file manager or built-in extractor. Then move individual photos to the device pictures or DSIM folder. Make sure to choose the system gallery destination so images appear in your Photos app. If large, after moving files, open the gallery app and refresh. Most systems auto-scan, but sometimes you must force a rescan or reboot to register new media. If images don't show, verify the file format is supported and that they reside in Pictures or DSIM, otherwise the gallery may ignore them. If problems persist, clear the Drive app cache, re-download a single image to test, and make sure storage permissions are granted. This final check usually resolves the remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.